You don't know how to caption automatically? It's really easy. I will even show you how to animate them, and I have presets too. So select the audio layer and then go to window and down to the text. Now here you have to generate transcript. Just do as I'm doing, and now you have to create caption from the transcript. Then you have the basic caption generated automatically. But please check if Premiere made any mistakes. Now let's customize and animate them. For that, you have to upgrade the layer to graphic layer. Now here you can change the font and all, but we will just put a transform on it, make a simple animation, and copy paste to all layers.
In memory of glasses, welcome to wasting my.
Quick tip, you can replace a particular font with another font from here in the entire project. And if you wanna do all this in just one click, then you need this plugin, man. Even I used it to even I used it to caption this video. By the way, there's a button called subscribe.